educational system now need to be balanced out so the kids could communicate using all of the forms of communication of multimedia is coming to the children. It used to be, like with cinema, only the very elite professionals worked in this medium. But now anybody can work in it.
Here's a great example of engaged learning where they're actually using the modalities of instructional technology to teach children how to build bridges. Engaged learning is something where our child's minds, audio, visual, they're basically engaged learning learners already. They're interacting with computers, the internet when they're at home, and games. Our kids are already engaged learners. Instructional technology is the missing link. They're dealing with Facebook and dealing with these modalities. Generation Z is basically a generation born with cell phones and games and interactive technology. If our children are to compete with the global economy, they must have access to engaged technology like kids in China and Japan. For example, when I was at a charter, we put together a engaged learning environment like this, instructional technology, and the children were able to be engaged in their minds, audio, visual, seeing, and we pulled up the internet on the board and we were able to see sports scenes, and then the kids turned to regular laptop computers. You have to engage the child beyond the mode of just use of the computer lab itself. It has to be enhanced. These children are already on that path. That's why Steven Spielberg at the beginning, the multimillionaire, is talking about engaged learning and the importance of it in the future. Heels Communications is a full-service instructional technology consultant for public, private, and charter schools. We consult with schools on the development of the use of technology, pervasive learning environments. Our kids are already engaged learners when they come home, get involved with computers, the internet, Facebook, games, and the use of learning modalities of this generation who have become bored with the styles of learning we had 20 years ago. Generation Z is a generation that's born with cell phones, games, and interactive technology in their hands. If our kids are to compete with the global economy, we must have access to engaged technology like kids in China and Japan. Hills Communications assists you with your school's technology planning, change management, and project assessment. At Hills Communications, we basically come in and walk your staff through the developmental process, how to utilize and integrate within your curriculum the enhanced success of technology integration. Hills Communication will design and develop a customized training based on a baseline assessment of data and instructional goals of your charter or private Christian school and district school to provide a comprehensive professional development experience. A successful strategic implementation considers 4 elements: people, process, technology, and data. Hills Communications can assist you with the development of your school, creating a strategic and sustainable instructional technology plan that fits your schools specifically. Hills Communication is owned and operated by Elijah Hill, located in Arlington, Texas, who has 12 years of experience and has a dual master's degree in instructional technology and a master's degree in business administration. Hills Communication has also a technology fundraising partner called Mission Control of Houston, Texas, owned by and operated by Van Harris, who can implement your E-Rate grant fundraising simultaneously. Hills Communication and Mission Control's combined technology experience of 27 years of experience will collaborate together to make your end-to-end computer technology upgrade experience seamless for your teachers and administration. Mission Control writes your E-Rate grant for you and helps to maximize your school funding opportunities. The technology services implemented by Mission Control are internal connections, engineering, analysis of school infrastructure, cabling, which includes fiber optics, Cat6 routers, and server installation. Mission Control helps you your school to develop your school's action items to prepare your school for success and receiving the maximum funding for E-Rate grants to upgrade your school's technology vision. Process is simple. To get started, just call us at 817-874-2083 and request our 10-point technology survey. It will only take 5 minutes to complete. We will then schedule a site visit with the school administration to implement your E-rate grant funding for that year and do a project assessment for upgrading your school technology for instructional technology enhancement at the same time.